I'm welcoming you to our annual day celebration in which I'm presenting the practical art of computer application like graphic designing and video editing.
Are you familiar with the definition of literature? Do you have any idea how many stages there are in literature? Are you aware of how many genres, especially in English literature? As a famous quote, I'm sure you heard it, that a reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. The man who never reads lives only one. I'm going to present all these points in detail.
Are you aware of Indian Constitution? Do you know the comparison between Islamic law and Indian Constitution? Have you any idea about the fundamental rights and how it's crucial to be familiar with in this situation?
Do you know the importance of CorelDRAW, PowerPoint, MS Word, MS Excel and computer theory? I am going to present in a simple way which will be beneficial for you all.
Are you worried about grammar? If you think grammar is too hard, if you consider grammar is not easy and you run away from grammar, then inshallah I will explain about everything.
What is the debate? What do you mean by debate? And what is the purpose of the debate? And what can students learn by debate? And second one, weekly speeches. What is the advantages of weekly speeches in learning the language? Why delivering the talk is significant? I will present these two things in detail.
Are you aware of your input device? Sharpen your listening skills, boost your communication, and unlock new possibilities.
Do you know about Riyadh Salihin? Have you heard about Riyadh Salihin? The famous book of Ahadith written by Imam Nawawi. Do you have any idea which type of Ahadith are mentioned in Riyadh Salihin? If you want to know these things.
Do you know how to announce any program? Have you ever wondered how to call performers to podium? We will gather here to celebrate the power of unity, talent of the human street. Our program is set, our performers are ready. Get ready to be captivated, inspired and entertained beyond measure.
Well, if you are interested, mark your calendar for the 29th of Feb, 10 a.m. and join us at Madarasa Baitul Uloom, Sindgi.